Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy and I make videos on fashion, styling, and shopping. And today's video is going to be a Cult Gaia bag unboxing, as you saw from the title of the video. Okay, so here's the thing. I like the brand. I bought a few things from the brand, mainly shoes. But I've never until recently pulled the trigger on a handbag. But they were running a 20% off of certain items, and this was included in the 20% off sale. So I was able to pick it up for about maybe $60 off, because I think this was $318, and I believe the total came out to be $254, so $272 with tax. And the bag is beautiful. I've actually been eyeing the bag for a while, so when I got the email that they were doing 20% off certain items, I just told myself to go check and see, because I wanted to know specifically if this particular bag was included in the sale, and it actually was. But before we get into that, let's talk about my outfit. Now, if you guys follow me on IG, then you've already seen this because I posted it the day that I filmed this video. If you're not, then why are you not following me? Like, why would you not? If you watch my channel, why would you not follow me on Instagram? I don't know. And you guys, I am like over 900 subscribers. I am almost at 1,000, and at 1,000, I can get monetized. So you guys need to help me get there. So share my video. First of all, the level of support that I get anyway from you guys is insane. You guys always interact. You guys always engage, and I absolutely love that. And most of my subscribers, you guys watch every single video. So I am like over the moon with the level of support that you guys have given me. My goal was to try to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the summer, but it looks like I may hit that by the end of July, which is this month. So I'm excited about it. But again, please, if you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. We have fun over here. We do fashion talks. We talk about a lot of things on this channel. So if you guys are not subscribed to me, please subscribe. Help me reach my goals. We have fun over here. We talk about fashion. We kiki. You know, we engage with each other. It's a good time. It's a good time. So anyway, this particular outfit I did post on my Instagram, but I will put the outfit details and insert a picture so you can see the full look. And if you want to shop it, then you're able to do that. So let's get into the unboxing. So anyway, guys, as I mentioned before, this is my first Cult Gaia bag, and I've really been going like bag crazy. Mainly contemporary bag crazy, because I really haven't bought a ton of luxury bags, and that's not really my lane. Not that I'm not going to continue to buy luxury bags, but that's going to be very sparingly because my funds just don't allow me to be able to do that. But they do allow me to be able to buy more contemporary bags like Coach, and today Cult Gaia, Michael Kors, Staud. These are all brands that I love. I've done several videos on different bags that I have added to my collection. And the thing about it is that like once you start like building your collection, it's really addictive. Like, when will I know purse piece? Someone mentioned that in the comments of one of my videos about purse piece. And I never thought about that, but I'm like, you know what? When does one really, I guess, get satisfied with their bag collection? Is that even a thing? Well, anyway, so let's talk about Cult Gaia. So I have several shoes from them, so I am familiar with the packaging. If you guys are not, it comes in this little, I would say more or less rose gold packaging here. It's very pretty. It's very heavy. So this is a sturdy item. So we're gonna open it up, and I opened it from the box, but this is my first time actually seeing it in person. So this unboxing is true. We will be seeing it together. So open this up, and there's no burning or anything in the box. It's pretty plain. Then you open it here, and then it comes into like this little kind of like molded section. It's molded for like the shape of the box that you can't really see here, honestly. It's in a dust bag, but yeah, it's molded because the box is shaped very like, it's not like your typical shape. And that's the one thing about Cult Gaia. If you guys are not familiar with the brand, even if you don't think you're familiar with the brand, you really are familiar with it, because several years ago, if you were following fashion on any level, that like basket bag that everyone had, that was Cult Gaia. And then different people started doing like different versions of knockoffs. Like I have a version of that one basket bag I got from Amazon. I still have it and I will still wear it. It's more of a vacation bag to me, like if I was going on a resort, but they're known for that. And then from there, they started doing like shoes and clothes, and now they're like a full-fledged like brand. And they're just really known for doing a lot of architectural type items. I have a pair of shoes that I will insert a picture of, which I call sort of like the floating heel. I mean, it's just, their stuff is beautiful, but it's contemporary pricing. It's not luxury pricing, even though people consider this to be luxury. I would say I would consider it to be luxury too, to be honest with you. But I think it's still more of a contemporary brand, but it's still luxe to me, so it is what it is. Let me pull this out. Oh yeah, see, you can tell here. It comes with, I guess this is my little unique handbag, handmade by skilled artisans and exceptional materials. Okay, yada yada yada. There we go. But as you can see, you see how it's shaped in here. So this is the shape of the bag. So I've been eyeing this bag for a long time, guys. I don't know why I didn't want to spend the $320, but something just did not allow me to be able to do that. Mainly because I knew that this was like a going out bag. And I bought it specifically for this reason, because I just wanted like a statement like at night. And this will go with anything. So we're gonna pull this out of its little, guys. Look at this bag. I mean, it's clear, so I mean, I'm turning it around like you guys are gonna see something different, but it's clear. It has a little gold Cult Gaia branding here. I'm not sure if you guys can really see that. I'll do my best. This is beautiful. Like, it's substantial. It's a little bit heavy, I'm not gonna lie, but it's still like, I mean, I don't care what outfit you have. Like if you're like going out, you need like an evening bag, whether you're going out with the girls or whether you're going to like a black tie function, this bag works. So I don't have anything like this. Like I do not have like a going out bag. And I knew that because I've been kind of hanging out with the girls, you know, we've been going a few places to dinner. And I mean, I think the bags that I typically use are like my styled bags, like those Tommy bags, because they're like more beaded. To me, those are like my dressy bags. Other than that, most of my like bags, even my luxury bags to me, are not really dressy. Like it's more casual. I mean, I can dress them up, it's fine, but this is like really cute. So let's just see. So let me see about how you get into the bag. But as you can see, like it's just, it has like these little, what do you call these things? I'm not gonna say pegs, but I mean, it looks like a Rubik's Cube, like it really does. So I guess you could say these were like little cubes around here. But yeah, so I'm assuming this is the front of the bag because it's hard to tell, but with the branding right here of Cult Gaia, I'm assuming this is the front. Not that it really even matters. And then, so I'm assuming that you have this little ball thing here, if you can see that. And I'm assuming you maybe, you open that up. I don't want to break it because this was almost $300. We're not gonna break it today. Yeah, I can't even get this open. I have no idea. Do you like, I don't know. We'll have to look this up. How do you like get it open? Oh, maybe it's the other way. Oh, it's the other way. Oh, I was wrong. So the front of, well, I guess you just open it. So I thought that maybe this was the front. but maybe it's not. They're like, you know what, we don't, oh, so no, it's not. This is actually the back of the bag, but it doesn't really matter. You can wear it on both, but this is the front. So you just kind of, I mean, it's actually very easy. It has like a little thing here that kind of connects this to that. This little, like, I guess it looks kind of like a screw, but it's not really a screw in here. And then it just goes in here. Okay, let's see what fits. So this is my phone. I have like the biggest iPhone. And I have a little, that little, like little, you know, that little thing. What do you call that thing that you put in between your fingers? I have it on my phone. It fits in here. I mean, this does fit your phone, so it'll fit some things. I'm trying to think, what else would I put in here? Because I mean, honestly, I don't think I would put my phone in here because I think this pretty much takes up a lot of space, but it does fit your phone. And if you have a smaller phone, then you'll be fine. If you don't have the case, that might be easier, but I don't know that I would want something super like hard, kind of like beaten up against this, because this is so pretty. So the details on this clutch. So this is called the Eden clutch, and it is made of acrylic, but it feels like glass, but it's acrylic. But it's super nice. It's very much, you know, an Art Deco piece, which I love. It's about maybe 9 inches long, so you do get some room in here. Not a ton, obviously. I mean, but you know, you're not going to be carrying a lot of things based on the fact that this is not something that you're going to be carrying during the day. So maybe a compact, you know, some hand sanitizer, a lipstick, your wallet, and that's about it. But it's just, it's really, really pretty. Like, it's, I cannot get over how lovely this bag is. So if you guys are really interested in like very much, oh, here it goes. Oh, this is so cute. Hold on, Mike, now. See how it like fit into this little thing here? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so here's the thing about Gaia. And this is not like a luxury, true like luxury brand like a Fendi or, you know, Gucci or LV, whatever. However, they have very interesting different pieces, and I think I said this before about like their shoes. It's like, yeah, their shoes aren't luxury per se, but they're well made. The quality is really, really good, and you're going to get show-stopping pieces that you're going to be able to have in your closet for a long time, that people, different brands, especially like fast fashion, they're not replicating that stuff because that stuff costs a lot of money to do. So to me, if you're looking for like special pieces, then to me, Gaia is like that place. Now their clothing is, it's for basically people who are like size 0. I mean, I'm small, but I'm like a size 4, nowhere near 0. We need to have a flat stomach. I'm not there yet. You know, I'm gonna get my little summer body back. It's not there, may not be here this summer, maybe by next summer when I actually have to go on like a resort or something, then I'll have the body that I want. But for me, their clothes aren't really my thing because it's barely their clothes. But their shoes, like their accessories, they have really great earrings. I do highly recommend the brand. I did contact customer service with them because I was looking for a pair of shoes that I didn't see on the website, and they responded to me the same day. So, I mean, customer service is really great. This shipped fairly quickly. Like, I think it shipped out the very next day that it was able to ship out, whether it was on a weekend or not. I think it shipped the next day. So I may have ordered this maybe on like a Tuesday or a Wednesday because I got this like a couple days ago. But there's nothing bad to say about the brand. I have 2 pairs of shoes from them. I have a pair of sandals, and I also have a pair of boots, and those boots are very architectural in nature as well. That's just the nature of the brand. So I highly recommend it. I highly recommend this this bag. Maybe wait on a sale. I think they do sales fairly often. I would assume that brands like this, brands period, because they're going to be, you know, trying to bring in a lot of their fall stuff, they're going to start to have a lot of sales. So they need to make room, whether it be in their warehouse or whatever, for different items. You know, Gaia clothes, or I think their stuff is sold on like other websites too, maybe Shopbop, or I know I've seen them other than like their actual own site. So those particular retailers are gonna have to like start clearing, you know, their inventory. So they're gonna have things on sale too. So I will probably just wait until they're doing like another like 15 or 20% off, just to get a little bit of money off. And if you use Rakuten, then, you know, I don't know if they have anything on Rakuten for this particular brand, probably not, but you know, just wait for a sale. All right, so that is all that I have for you today. Okay, so y'all know I've still been buying bags. So I have 2 Brandon Blackwood bags coming. Yes, I did it. And let me tell you why I did it. I did it because, well, hey, this is actually this will be like the second and third bags that I do have from Brandon Blackwood, because I do have another bag that I bought like a long time ago. I have not worn it yet, but I like his bags. I'm really waiting on the trunk bags. I didn't get the trunk bags because he's pretty much out of any colorway that I would even really want. And he has a lot, but I just think that his business has exploded. I mean, a lot of celebrities are starting to like really check for him. And here's the thing. You guys know that this week, Beyonce was essentially spotted with a white Telfar bag. So, and if you guys don't know, Telfar, which you should know, is a Black-owned bag brand. I mean, whenever they do like color drops or whatever, that stuff sells out like that. Like, that's just what it is. If you are a day late, you're not going to get a bag. I've been trying to get it back for a while, but I always miss it because it's normally like during the week, and you know, I'm at work, I have things going on, so I can't be tied to a specific time. And you really have to be there like whenever the thing launches. Well, so she, of course, she was filmed with it. So here's the thing. So a lot of celebrities have been photographed with like the Telfar bag, and a lot of them are starting to be photographed with the Brandon Blackwood bags too. But you know, the Brandon Blackwood bags are going to be spotted on Beyonce soon. So if I were you, and they still have bags left on that on his site, I mean, he's gonna be doing, I'm sure, restocks and different orders or whatever, but I just think that his business exploded, so he just doesn't have a ton right now. But there are a couple new drops that I'm going to show you that I really do like, because initially they kind of remind me of like the Prada bags, and I wanted a Prada bag in a different color, but this is kind of like the same thing. So I'm like, okay, so I can't wait to show you guys whenever it does ship. And I do have an NL the Label bag that just came today. I may film that today or tomorrow. I have some interesting things to say about my experience with that particular brand. Not necessarily that great, but anyway, so I have a lot of content coming for you guys. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.